Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, it's another video tutorial. But before proceeding, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell for more tutorials coming up. Thank you very much for your support. Hello, on today's tutorial, we will be talking about how to install the Windows Server 2019 on a virtual machine. The virtual machine that we're going to use for today's video is the VMware Workstation. Okay, to start it, okay, first, this video will be composed of two parts. The first one is how to create a virtual machine, set up and configure it. The second one is how we're going now to install the Windows Server 2019 operating system inside the virtual machine. Okay, so let's start. So first, we'll click on create a new virtual machine. We'll just follow the typical setup. Just click next. And then there are three selections, but I will select the bottom one, the third one. So I will install the operating system later. Click next. Then we'll make use of Microsoft Windows, and then the version is Windows version 2019. Actually, you can select several, but on this video, we're just going to make use of Windows Server 2019. Click next. Then we will type the name of the virtual machine. So here, I will just type server 2019. Then there's already the default location. So it will follow the name of the virtual machine, the name of the virtual machine. Okay. Then we'll just click next. So minimum of 60 gig. And then we will just make use of the default settings. Split virtual disk into multiple files. Okay. Then click next. And then from here, before we click finish, we have to customize the hardware. So click on the button, and then in memory we will set this to 4 gig. The higher the memory, the better. Okay? Then for processor, we can set up by 2, so we can select it. For more faster, the minimum requirement is 2, but I will make this 4. Okay? Then for network adapter, we just make it bridge. Then if we're done, we just click it. For the rest, just make use of the default settings. Okay? If we're done, we just click close. Then after that, we just click finish. Now guys, we are done with the first part of setting up our virtual machine. The second part will now going to install, okay, and run the virtual machine. So, but first we have to look for the ISO. So, click on the CD DVD auto detect. Then from here, just click on use ISO image and then browse for the location of the ISO image. So here, click on the ISO. By the way, I'm using the Microsoft Windows Server 2019 evaluation uh, evaluation copy. So to download the ISO, you just go to the Microsoft website and search for the Windows Server 2019 evaluation copy. Then click open and then click OK. So now we're ready to install our our operating system. So select on power on this virtual machine, and we will go inside. As you can see, it will now boot. So press any key to boot from the DVD. So I'll just press it. So it will take a few minutes to set it up. So we're just looking for it. By the way, to move in and out of the virtual machine, we just have to press Control G or Control Alt. So just click inside. Now you are inside already of the virtual machine. To move out of the virtual machine, you just press Control Alt. Then you can see that my mouse is already outside the virtual machine. So it will take a few minutes. Okay, now so we go inside the virtual machine by clicking on the inside the virtual machine. Then you can see now there are different options here, so no problem with that. Okay, we'll just reset the system, and then we will now run from the boot. Press any key. So if you notice it, it's now loading the files, and the installation will start. It will take for a few minutes. Okay, so we're just going to wait for it for a little bit for the setup. Okay, so this is the default settings. So we'll just click. I am selecting English United States. Okay, so I'll just click next button. So there are two options here: install now and repair your computer. So since this is a fresh installation, I will just click install now. So the setup is starting. It will take a few or several minutes. So we'll just wait for it. Now, here there are several um options. You have the server standard, you have the standard evaluation desktop experience, the data center evaluation, and the data center evaluation with desktop experience. On this installation, I will be using the second. So, and then if you notice it, there is a description. So, this is for graphical environment. You have to install it in option there, data center, and evaluation. So I'll be using the second one, Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. So click next button. Then I'll accept the terms. Click it. Click next. Then so there are two options again here. We'll select custom install. Okay. Click it. Then you will not notice that there's already the 60 gig that was allocated a while ago. So click new, then just click apply, then click OK. We'll just wait for several minutes. Then if you notice it, it creates already different partitions here. Then we will just select the fourth partition. Okay, so just click the next button, and Windows now is starting to install the operating system. So we need to wait for at least 100% for it to totally install. Okay, so we'll just wait for several minutes. So if you notice it, it's already started counting. So we will wait until uh, the installation will become 100%. So it will take a little while. So maybe I'll just cut the installation here and then continue later on. Okay, guys, it's now approaching 30%. So the installation now is approaching 50%. Tagal pa rin to, 12:51. So the installation of Windows Server or any operating system in particular will take several minutes the depending on the operating system and depending on the hardware specification that you have. So it's now fast approaching 60%. So 80%. Approaching to 90% installation. So fast approaching 100%. So we'll be waiting for the installation to be completed at 100%. So 96%. So 100%. So finishing up. On my PC with the specification of Core i5 11th Gen, it took approximately around mm, 8 to 6 minutes approximately depending on the hardware that you have. Okay, so I'm using Core i5 11th Gen with 2.4 gigahertz but and have a RAM memory of 28 gig. Okay, so just waiting for it to finish the installation. So currently installing updates, but it cannot because I'm not connected to the internet. And then we need now to restart. So we'll just wait, or you can just click restart now. So it rebooted already. So we'll just wait. So the Windows logo appeared again. So we'll just wait for it to finish. So just finishing the setup. So we'll wait until it becomes 100% and getting ready for the setup. So I'll just go inside the virtual machine. So if you notice it, your Windows operating system will restart for a couple of times. So there. So once you see it, okay, it will now ask for a password. So you may input the password that you want. Okay. So type in the password that you prefer. So make sure that you type the same password. Okay. Then when you're done entering your password, you just click finish. So finalizing the settings. So there, the Windows have been already been installed. So to go inside, it says press Ctrl Alt Delete. So from the VMware, you go to VMware, then send Ctrl Alt Delete. Now remember the password that we entered a while ago. We're going to enter it. Don't forget it. Then click there. So finishing it up. And now this is your Windows Server 2019 operating system. Okay. So we have now installed the Windows Server inside your virtual machine. So we'll wait for it. And if you're going to look at it, it's not the same as the different operating system that you use on your desktop or laptop. On this, uh, it will now automatically, every time that you open your Windows Server 2019, it will automatically open the server manager. So you can notice it. Just click don't show this again, then close it, and you have now finished installing your Windows Server inside your virtual machine. So this is now the server manager. Just in case that the server manager will not appear, but it doesn't really. It by default it will open. Just in case you accidentally close it, just like that. So all you have to do is click on the Windows logo, and then there are two choices. You can either open this Windows Server Manager or this one. Either of the two, it's the same. So I'll just select this one. And you started again your server manager. So it will take for a couple of minutes to open it, guys. Then that's it. You have now installed your Windows Server 2019 inside a virtual machine. So that ends for our tutorial for today. The installation and configuration of Windows Server 2019 inside your virtual machine. Okay? Yeah. So to explore what is the difference between the typical operating system, you have the different server manager, and inside the server manager, you have several settings. You have your local server, which we're going to set it up later on our next tutorial. We have different servers and file managers just to explore the your operating system. Then here on the top leftmost side of your server manager, you have several buttons, which is manage, tools, view, and help. So on manage, these are the different settings: add roles, remove roles, add server, create server group, server manager properties. And you have tools also. So you have several settings. So there are a lot of them. So you can see it one by one. And then of course you have view. And then of course you have your help. Okay. So we'll check about server manager. So this is server manager and the version and the date. And this is owned by Microsoft Corporation. Just click OK to close it. So that is now your Windows Server 2019. So we'll just close the server. We just close this, and then we'll go to long Windows logo, then shut it down, and click the power button and then shut down. And then by default, we're just going to use other unplanned. So click continue. So if you notice it, the Windows server now is shutting down. And it will now go back to our installation virtual machine. So that's it. So that is the end of our tutorial for today. That is creating a new virtual machine in the using VMware Workstation, and installing and setting up our Windows Server 2019 inside our virtual machine. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and hope that you learned something from it. And stand by for more tutorial on the Windows Server uh, 2019 operating system, configuration, and setup. So, bye guys. Till the next, see you again on the next tutorial.